Hello ladies and gents, and welcome back to yet another fun week of our English 101 class this summer. And as it is a summer term, of course, as we know by now, our time goes so very quickly. So we're already into project 2, we're already drafting that thing. So we're working on our thesis and our outline, and then we're going to start writing the essay, working on it, revising it, making it beautiful. We're going to do a peer review on Wednesday. Get some knowledge on logical fallacies, which is cool. And then do one more peer review on Friday so that you've got lots of time to get feedback, to make your essay better before we turn in those final drafts, which will be coming up if we take a peek into August on August 1st, which is not a lot of time, as it is kind of crazy. So we just have to keep trucking through. It's a fun topic. I hope you're enjoying looking at the cases. I'm going to be grading the cases for consideration today, hopefully, fingers crossed. And as I've been peeking through them, it looks like you guys are off to a really good start, that you've got some interest in some of the cases, and that you're finding some sources that will work well for you. All of those are great things as we begin really diving into this project. And as always, everything we need is located for us in the modules tab. So if we go into the modules, the internet takes some time sometimes, and we go down to our very fun project 3, wherever that is. Here we go. Project 3, trial by media. We've got everything we need to be successful here. So you can see we've got the framed justice PowerPoint that gives us the overview. Hopefully you've watched that recorded lecture already. We've got logical fallacies coming up this week that I think you're going to really enjoy. And then we've got all these supporting materials. If you're looking for research to help you with more broad concepts of trial by media, this isn't specific to cases, but this is more like overarching background and how it connects with the Sixth Amendment. We've got a lot of great resources for you here. And then the essay itself, of course, please check these out. If you haven't already watched the research outline and thesis worksheet video, please do that. That is, I think, the single greatest determiner of success on this essay, is whether folks are really familiar with the prompt and what the expectations are. And all of that I go over in great detail in the lecture video. So please watch it. It will help you so much. And then I also have some sample essays. I think you'll find these very helpful as we get into writing our essays, because sometimes it's hard to wrap our mind around the structure or how we might tackle a case that is oh so very complicated. This is a couple examples of people who have pretty successfully tackled these cases. I would say these are high B, low A essays, so they're pretty good examples of what we're looking for here. So check those out. Lots of great resources for you here. And then the final thing I want to talk to you about is if you want to get additional feedback on your essay. For some reason you don't get a peer review because your classmate doesn't do their homework, which is really unfortunate, and I'm so sorry. Or you just want more feedback, which is always good, you can make an appointment with the CBC e-tutors. So this is all online. You can go to the CBC Online Writing Center to get help as well. So if you make an appointment with either of these places and you get feedback on your essay, send me an email that has a copy of that feedback, and I will give you extra credit points. So not only is your essay stronger and you get a better grade on it, but you also get some extra credit points for doing that extra step of getting additional feedback. So it's a win-win. There's no downside. And that's kind of all I have for us today, guys, as we truck through this next week writing our Project 2 essays. As always, reach out if you have any questions. I'm here to help. And otherwise, have fun writing and researching.